Okay, just a quick add-on from previous video. We do know that this is a common issue because we had a few come in previously. It's this rear tailgate rubber. It does take time for it to come in, but what it does is it sits in this corner here, and then it slowly gets behind the back of the rubber. And if we just pull that off a second, so we can see signs of dirt and water inside the rubber there. And as we can see, what it will do is it will follow this rubber down, get inside it, and then when it then comes all the way down here, if we lift this bit up here, we can see that there's a welded seam here, and what it does is the water actually deflects off of here and then comes down and will end up just running down into this section here. So we've got evidence of water being under there. If I just have a look under the rubber as well, so we can see that there's water been getting through there. So we'll probably advise cleaning that up and resealing that as well. But there we go.